Welcome to the Farm.
Hi, my name is Meena.
And I'm Jennifer Elliot.
And we're the co-founders of Special Hearts Farm, and we're located in Winter Garden, Florida. So the Special Hearts Farm actually started back in 2014. We were located at a high school, and we started the program because we realized a lot of our students did not have the opportunity to go out and work in the community. So we wanted to give them an on-campus job, and that's pretty much how the program began at the high school. Since that time, we have now moved to this location, and we've got two programs going, which is really special. We have the students that are still within Orange County Public Schools, but we also have the students that have aged out of school and are ages 22 and above that come and participate in the Adult Day Training Program. And that side of the program is actually sponsored and funded by the 501c3 non-for-profit Special Hearts Farm.
And a lot of the students, they start with us at OCPS from 18 to 22, and the goal is to get them employment. And unfortunately, some of them do get employed, which is not unfortunately, that's the fortunate part, but unfortunately, some of them cannot be employed full-time. So they'll come to the adult day training because they enjoy the program so much. They don't want to lose out on the animals and the experiences. And we have several students that have actually come, they come to the day training during the day, and then they get employed a paid job on the weekends. So that's really our main mission, is to make sure that they're having a meaningful day, and if they can be employed and earn a paycheck, so much the better.
Here on the farm, we have a wide range of livestock, mostly who serve as therapeutic type animals. We have miniature horses, we have miniature donkeys, we have 2 mini zebu cows, we have goats, we have sheep, we have turkeys, ducks, chickens, and pigs. There's probably not a livestock animal that we don't have.
So a typical day here at the farm is each class gets a schedule, and it rotates weekly. So every week they'll have a different job. For example, first thing in the morning, one group may go take care of the rabbits. Then their next rotation would be to go take care of the big chickens. Their third rotation might be going to the garden and watering or picking, weeding. Fourth rotation, then they do some life skills and some cooking. So it just varies every single day. Every single group completes a farm job at least once a day, if not twice. And they rotate through every farm job. So every farmer here knows how to do every single job on this farm.
So one of the things I'm the most passionate about is that the community and other farmers recognize us as special farmers. We are farmers in our own right, and just to look beyond the disability and look at our abilities and the possibilities that we bring to farming. My experience with Farm Credit actually started 2 years ago when we purchased our land, and Jeff Phillips was our lending agent. He has just been a wonderful friend of the farm, helped us through the whole process, and honestly, I don't even know where we'd be without Farm Credit.